Hey guys, welcome to another video. Well, yeah, this is part 3 of doing necklace to spike, and right now I've got these rares. So yeah, let's go to Jamal and get people to trade. Let me see what I want. It's too messy in here, you know. Oh yeah, by the way, he doesn't know I'm in there. This dog. It looks like Lola. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soup. Hi. Alright, I want this off. Come on. I'm gonna leave in a minute. Sorry. Finally, this girl's back. I could finally go to her den and get stuff. I think everybody's just gonna leave. Okay guys, so I just wanted to say bye because
I would roast you, but my mom
sorry, I'm just enjoying that. Alright, so I will see you in the next part. So yeah, see you later, alligators and crocodile. I don't know, just